Hey yo, and welcome back to the channel. Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna teach you a pretty cool magic trick that looks something like this. So yeah, those are basically the tricks we're gonna learn today. First, you take the card, you snap it, it changes into the coin. You take the coin in your hand like that, you blow, and it magically disappears. Let's learn. So first off, to do this, you need to grab yourself a playing card and a coin, just like so. And now basically what you just want to do is place the coin in the upper right corner of the card on the back side, just like so. And then you want to pinch the card with your right hand, with your thumb at the back covering the coin, and the middle and index in the front, just like so. So you're holding the card, something like that, with the thumb in the back, holding the coin, and the middle and index in the front. And now what you want to do is something called a snap change. You just want to snap the middle finger backwards like that, which in slow motion looks something like this. And yeah, that's basically the move. So once again, you take the coin, you take the card, you place it in the upper right corner of the card, just like so. You pinch it with your thumb at the back, middle and index in the top right corner, just like so. You snap with the middle finger along the thumb, just like so. So the card will glide back and reveal the coin. So when done fast, it will look like the card magically changed into the coin, just like that. But the card is obviously secretly just hidden in the back of your palm, just like so. So when you do this move, just make sure that the card is a little bit this way. So when you do the move, it will look smooth, just like that, and you will not flash the card. So this way works completely fine, but this way will not work at all. There is also a lot of ways you can change the card. You can change it just like that by snapping and having it change to the coin. Grab the coin and now do the coin vanish. Or you could take the card just like so. You could throw it down just like that and it having it change to the coin and then do the coin vanish. So basically how the drop change is done is that you're gonna take the card just like so. You're gonna do the move, bam, but then you just drop the coin just like that. So in speed, it will look something like that. Boom. And you can also do this card change on the cover, which looks something like that. And basically guys, how to do this is pretty simple. This is actually the easiest one out of the three. So basically you come here, you do the move, but you cover with the other hand, making the move completely bulletproof, just like that. So to do this version, you're basically just gonna have the cover hand ready like this, and you're gonna cover and then do the move just like so, and it will look like it magically changes. So yeah, basically guys, you just want to do the change move just like that, and then you drop the dirty hand with the card away just like so. And this is the tutorial for the coin vanish move. So basically you just want to pinch the coin between your four fingers at the bottom just like so, and the thumb just like so. And you also want to have a gap between your fingers and palm just like so. So you can see there's a little bit of a gap here. So then when you come over with this hand, basically what you just want to do is drop the coin in that gap. So yeah, basically what you want to do is just come over with the right hand with the thumb in the back just like so, and cover with the four fingers at the front just like so. And as you have covered the coin, all you want to do is just drop with the thumb so the coin rolls down in your hand just like so. Pretend to fully grab the coin, but this time the coin is just resting there. Come down with the coin hand, blow here, and make it vanish. So once again, you take the coin, you hold it just like so between the four fingers there and the thumb at the top. You come over with this hand, you pinch as you have fully covered the coin, you drop the coin into this hand just like so. You pretend to take the coin here, you come down with the hand with the actual coin in it, you blow and make it completely disappear. So yeah guys, there you have it. Practice these moves in front of a mirror so you can learn how to take the card, change it into the coin, then take the coin and make it completely disappear just like that. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button down below. And also let me know what you think about these tricks in the comments below. And before you go, if this video gets 300 likes, I will teach you how to take any card and change it just like that. Like and subscribe.